Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new or stopping by, I'm Shay, and this week I'm gonna make a Beyond Burger with vegan mac and cheese. So here are all the ingredients I'm gonna use for this video. So you're gonna dice up the onions, tomatoes, and set aside some lettuce, cilantro, and some jalapenos for the toppings. So it's time for the seasoning. You're gonna start with some hamburger seasoning. You're gonna just sprinkle a little bit. You're gonna add some onion powder, some red pepper flakes, some parsley, and I also end up adding some garlic powder. You're also gonna flip it and season both sides. And remember, you're just gonna season to the desired amount of your liking. To prep the stove for the burger, you're gonna use a little bit of grapeseed oil, turn it to about a medium-high heat. And as for the mac and cheese, you're gonna put about 8 cups of water and you're gonna bring it to a boil. I end up changing the pot because this was a little too small for 8 cups. Now it's time to add the burger. You're gonna go ahead and place the burger on the stove and you're gonna cook it for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. Now it's time to go ahead and flip to cook the other side. The burger looks about done, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add the vegan cheese and let it begin to melt. To speed up the melting process, I put the lid on top and I set it aside. All right, that water has begun to boil, so it's time to add the noodles. You're gonna cook it for about 5 to 6 minutes on high. All right, that 5 to 6 minutes is up. It's time to remove the noodles from the stove. Go ahead and strain it and add the vegan cheese. Would you look at that vegan cheeseburger, vegan mac and cheese with the toppings? Oh my. Yes, look at that burger. With the Ezekiel bread, no flour. You know I had to get the close-up so you could see how delicious this burger looks. Okay, one more look, and I had to slice it so you can see how it looks on the inside. All right, and now for the best part, it's time to taste it. So I'm here with my cousin, Torre. He's gonna give his opinion because he's not vegan. So we're gonna let you know what we think of this Beyond Burger and this vegan mac and cheese. This has no dairy, no soy, no gluten, plant-based, 4 grams of protein, and it has a great source of calcium, non-GMO. So we're gonna let you know. Again, it's 4 cheese with herbs. So let's go.
Ooh.
All right, so go ahead. So I'm gonna try the this vegan mac and cheese with the herbs. Oh my God, it's actually really good. What do you think?
It's
It's not bad. Like, of course, this is not gonna taste dead on like macaroni and cheese, but I think the herbs is what really helps it out. I've never had vegan mac, and I've never had it with 4 cheeses with herbs. This is the Daiya. It's actually really good. I like it. It's good. I would rate this like a.
Did you add anything extra?
No, I wouldn't add anything to it. It's perfect. Doesn't need salt, no pepper. I would give this like a 8, 9 out of 10.
At least an 8.
Yeah, this is good. So for y'all out there who've never tried vegan mac or anything vegan, try this 4 cheese with herbs from Daiya. It's actually really good. So, all right, on this Beyond Beef burger, I added vegan mayo, ketchup, mustard, some jalapeno, onions, lettuce, tomatoes, with some seasoning. So this is how it looks. What do you think? Is it good?
That's right.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna taste it. Oh my God. Man. Yo. That first bite.
That's on point. It's like
Yo, oh my God.
4th of July quality right there.
This is delicious. And it's not even grilled. Good. So, would you think it was would you think it was a real burger, or would you think it's vegan?
I would.
You would think it's a real burger?
Yeah, man, definitely. If I was at the function, especially if I had a few drinks in it, man, I wouldn't even be able to tell the difference.
Oh my God, this is so good. So,
It's all right.
rating, I would give this a 10 out of 10. This right here is banging. Oh my God. Y'all gotta try this Beyond Burger with the seasons I use, with the extra topping. It's on point. What do you give it?
I give it an
8 out of 10. All right. And again, he's not vegan. I am. He's not. He's never ate any kind of vegan food. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Be you. Think naturally. Let me know what you think on this vegan mac and cheese and burger. Thank you guys again.